Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message with spotlight effect. So if you want to send a messages with a spotlight effect, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your message, then just navigate to this. There's that person you wish to send the message to with the effect. So once you're done, just type in your message, hey. Then you want to use this the spotlight effect. Just long click on the arrow button. Once long click on it, then tap on this option in between the send with effect. Tap on the screen. Then this is echo. We are not going for echo. Then just drag to the left. Then this is the spotlight. You can see send with spotlight. Then just tap on the icon or the arrow up button right in front of the message. Just beside the message rather, just tap on the icon, a single tap, then it will send the message with a spotlight. And that is how to send message with spotlight on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.